Hello math lovers! Welcome back to my channel! For the newcomers, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and click the bell button for more updates on my videos. Okay math lovers, so today is June or July 17, 2020, and we will have another interesting topic in mathematics. So keep on watching. So for today, we're going to have zero exponents. So what does zero or a zero exponent implies? Or what do zero exponents imply? So for today, we're going to find out the answers if a certain number is being raised to zero. Alright? So what does the rule say upon having a zero exponent? So the rule says any non-zero number raised to zero, the answer is 1. So we have to bear in mind, math lovers, that any non-zero, meaning if the number is the zero, raised to zero, the answer is 1. So that's what we're going to bear in mind to continue with our vlog for today. Okay, let us have our first example for the zero exponent. We have here the quantity of 1 over 13 raised to 0 equal to 1. So our number is 1 over 13 and it has been raised to 0. So applying the rule, therefore it is equal to 1. Next example, math lover, we have quantity of x raised to 5 and raised to 0 equals 1. Do you agree with this? Our number is x raised to 5. So x is being raised to 5. However, with our parentheses, the whole number is being raised to 0. So by the rule, any number raised to 0, the answer is 1. So it is equal to 1. Another example, math lovers. Okay, can you see? We have here x raised to 5 over x raised to 5, or shall I say x raised to 5 divided by x raised to 5. So we have to simplify this given expression. So how to simplify this? Applying the laws of exponent, applying the laws of exponent when we are going to divide numbers with the same base, like the base here is x and the base here is x, we have to subtract the exponent. So this is now equal to x raised to 5 minus 5. So we subtract the exponent, 5 minus 5. So of course it is equal to x raised to 0 because 5 minus 5 equals 0. So as we can see, we have here x raised to 0. Apply the rule. Any number raised to 0, the answer is 1. So the whole number x raised to 5 divided by x raised to 5 is just equal to 1. Now let's have another type of example. Our given number is 3x raised to 0. It is equal to 3 times 1 equals 3. So how comes it is equal to 3? So let us find out. So this is 3 times x raised to 0. 3 here has its own exponent other than our x. 3 is actually raised to the power of 1, which is imaginary. Times, we have here times, so when a number and a variable are coming together, the operation in between is multiplication. So we have here 3 times x raised to 0. So they're actually separated. Or simply 3x raised to 0. So 3 is raised to 1 and x is raised to 0. So to simplify that one, it is equal to 3. Since 3 raised to 1 is equal to 3 times x raised to 0 now is equal to 1. Okay, do you get that? We have here 3, copy 3, and x raised to 0 is equal to 1. We enclose that one in parentheses. So that is why we have 3 times 1. Get that? So therefore, 3 times 1 equals 3. Okay, math lovers, I will give you now our last example for today's vlog upon having a zero exponents. So again, the rule says any number, non-zero number raised to 0, the answer is 1. So let's have this example. We have the quantity of x squared minus 25 all over x squared plus 5x plus 6 raised to 0. So what do you think is the answer? I believe if you're going to look at the given problem, Most of the students or most of you math lovers will say that it is very hard. But to tell you, if you're going to bear in mind the rule, this is just very easy. So what do you think is the answer of this given problem? Quantity of x squared minus 25 all over x squared plus 5x plus 6 raised to 0. Do you think it's very difficult? Remember, the whole thing is being raised to 0. So what is the answer? Yes, of course, the answer is 1. Yes, since the whole thing is raised to 0, any number, small or big, as long as it is being raised to 0, the answer is 1. Okay, math lovers, so let's end up there, having about 5 or 4 examples for our vlog. I hope you have learned from those examples about zero exponents. So, having zero exponents, I believe things are very easy. You just have to remember the rule. So, what is the rule? The rule says any non-zero number raised to 0, the answer is 1. So, math lovers, I hope you have learned from our vlog. So keep on learning, keep on watching, and be math lovers. By the way, shout out to Inday Doring Vlogs. So this is now your request, Marjorie Alduhesa. So please subscribe to her channel as well. For those who have subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. Happy 700 subscribers.